ZebPay bonus use. How to use bonus in ZebPay. Now, ZebPay offers various bonuses such as sign-up bonuses or promotional offers. These bonuses are typically credited to your ZebPay wallet and can be used for trading cryptocurrencies on the platform. Now, here's how you can generally use bonuses in ZebPay. First is to definitely check your wallet. Open the ZebPay app, make sure to log in and simply check your wallet because the bonus amount should be reflected in your wallet. You can also try to trade some cryptocurrencies. Use the bonus amount to buy or sell crypto on ZebPay just like you would with your deposited funds. Now, bonus conditions. Be aware of any specific terms and conditions associated with the bonus, such as minimum trading requirements or expiry dates. It is important to note that ZebPay might have different types of bonuses with specific terms and conditions. Always check the details of the bonus you received to understand how you can use it effectively. You can find information about ongoing promotions on their app or their website. So please also remember that the information provided here is a general overview and the actual process may vary depending on specific bonus and ZebPay's current policies. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.